These red, white, and blue popsicles are made with real fruit, no dyes, and only natural ingredients.
Hey, we're the sisters behind Healthy Remix.
Where we flip your favorite snacks into feel-good recipes.
Today, red, white, and blue popsicles. Perfect for summer, perfect for the 4th of July, or honestly, any day.
First up, we're going to start with our blueberry layer. Grab some fresh or frozen blueberries. You'll need a cup, and blend them until smooth. Then mix a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey for extra sweetness. Once that's ready, pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, filling them about a third of the way. Pop them into the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes or until set.
Next, we're going to make the white layer. Simply blend together 1 cup of Greek yogurt with some fresh lemon juice and a bit of honey. Pour this mixture carefully on top of the blueberry layer. This is where you get a little artsy. You want to fill the molds just to the top, but be careful to not mix the layers.
Lastly, for the red layer, we'll go with watermelon. Blend it up and add a splash of maple syrup or honey. Then pour it gently on top of the lemon layer.
Now it's time to insert the sticks and freeze these beautiful popsicles for at least 4 hours.
Look at those layers!
These are creamy, fruity, and just sweet enough without all the artificial flavors and colors.
Also, how cute are they?
And that's our healthy remix on red, white, and blue popsicles.
If you want more clean versions of your favorite foods, make sure to subscribe.
And let us know down in the comments which summer treat or snack we should remix next.